Altima. Only $330 per month. Plus get $500 cash back just in time for the holidays.
Is your deal?
Hey guys, welcome to the video. Before it starts, almost 7% of my viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you do enjoy this video and want to see more like it, consider subscribing and you can always change your mind later.
Mike Lee being gavelled down by the Senate President.
What was that?
That was an accident.
Sign and drive the award-winning Nissan Altima. Only $330 per month. Plus get $500 cash back just in time for the holidays.
Is your deal?
Be accepted.
What in the?
Entire inventory online.
Wow! That's gonna go to CBS. What are you doing? Oh, is he gonna do it? Yes, let's go! Let's go! It's a Karma camera!
Lake Merritt Sheriff's Office.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm doing okay. I pulled you over because earlier today, when I had a different car pulled over, you came around the corner screeching your tires.
Oh, well, I'm still learning how to.
Okay?
I'm
Well,
still learning how to do.
Here to tell you,
Uh-huh.
I'm not going to give you a ticket for it,
Uh-huh.
okay? Because it could be quite an expensive ticket, up to you having to show up to court and explain to a judge why what you did wasn't reckless driving.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm very familiar with how cars work. Okay, your vehicle displays some signs of modification, being that it's lowered and such, and has a stiffer than normal suspension, which in itself is not illegal. But my warning to you is if that kind of stuff happens around town, you're going to get hassled a lot. Okay?
Okay.
We're going to inspect your car, send you to a smog rep if necessary. You're going to get reckless driving tickets. You're going to get your license suspended, stuff like that.
Right.
Okay? So
Sure.
you're saying that you're just learning to drive stick. I'm not going to tell you that I don't believe you, but you need to learn a little
I need to learn how to be smoother.
better if that's the case.
Yeah.
Okay? So this is my warning to you.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Drive safe.
Thank you, sir.
Drink.
Have a good night.